Let's look at one more type of problem with negative numbers on the number line. So far, we've been dealing with whole numbers, -1, -2, -3, but we could also have decimals or fractions on the number line. Our job is to estimate where -2.6 is located. Start by thinking about which two numbers it is between. You might relate this to the positive numbers to get an idea. -2.6 is going to be between -2 and -3. Just as +2 and +3 would be on both ends of +2.6. So that means I could locate -2.6 on my number line about here, where the blue line is. -2.6 is between -2 and -3. What if I give you a point and ask you to figure out the number? So you'll notice we have point A marked. I want to know what number would make sense for A. First, let's start by looking at what A is between. A is between -1 and -2. This means that my number is going to be a negative, and it's going to start with -1. So let's start by filling in what we know. So I have -1, but it's not exactly -1. I'm going to have a decimal, so point. Then I need to put something after the decimal. Well, I can look and figure out that A looks closer to -1 than it does to -2. If it was exactly in the middle, it would be -1.5. It looks like I'm a little bit closer to -1. So my decimal portion is going to be less than the 0.5. So I'm going to estimate that this is -1.4. That's just an estimate. I would also accept -1.3. Make sure that you realize again which two numbers it's in between, and then pick a decimal that accurately represents where it's located.